Linux OS Introduction in DevOps. Linux's adaptability, open-source status, and strong command-line interface make it a popular operating system in DevOps settings. Linux is frequently used by DevOps professionals for a variety of tasks, including as application deployment, automation, and server provisioning. This is an overview of Linux under the DevOps framework. 1. Open Source Foundation. Main perk. Linux is open source, which permits anybody to read, edit, and share its source code without restriction. This encourages cooperation and creativity among DevOps professionals. 2. Distributions. Distros. Variety. Different package management techniques and customizations are found in different Linux distributions, distros. Red Hat, Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, and Debian are popular distributions. 3. The CLI or command line interface. Strength. The CLI of Linux is strong and effective. The command line is frequently used by DevOps specialists to carry out activities, automate scripts, and administer servers. 4. Using shell scripts. Automation. A key competency in DevOps is shell scripting on Linux. The shell known as bash, born again, shell, is frequently utilized in scripting. 5. Package management, repositories. To install, update, and delete software packages, Linux distributions employ package managers like apt and yum. Maintaining stable environments and managing dependencies require this. 6. User and permission control, security. Linux has strong permission and user control. System and data security depends on knowing and controlling user permissions. 7. Security and networking tools. Utilities for monitoring and controlling network setups and security settings. Linux comes with a robust suite of networking and security tools, such as iptables, netstat, and TCP dump. 8. Hierarchy of file systems. Standardization. Linux has a uniform file system hierarchy that makes it easier to organize files and folders in a consistent manner. 9. Process management. Linux has several commands, such as ps, top, and kill, for monitoring and controlling processes, an essential aspect of system optimization. DevOps relies heavily on Linux because it offers a flexible and adaptable environment for server management, programming, and automation. Proficiency in Linux commands and ideas is crucial for DevOps practitioners operating in a dynamic and heterogeneous IT environment.